আসেনি? সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, hello students, good noon everybody. How are you? I hope you are well. Due to COVID-19, we are displaying our class for our students to develop yourself. আমরা তোমাদের জন্য ক্লাস দিচ্ছি। আজকে এসেছি আমরা ঘরে বসে শিখি, যেটা প্রধানমন্ত্রীর উপহার প্রাথমিক গণশিক্ষা মন্ত্রণালয় এবং A2 এর মাধ্যমে পরিচালিত হচ্ছে ফেসবুক লাইভ ক্লাসগুলো। এছাড়াও তোমাদের সংসদ টিভিতেও যে ক্লাসগুলো হচ্ছে, আমাদের ক্লাসগুলো প্রচারিত হচ্ছে, এগুলো দেখবে। পাশাপাশি এই ক্লাসগুলো তোমরা দেখবে সবাই, এবং ঘরে বাস করবে, ঘর থেকে বাইরে বের হবে না, তাই না? চলো, let's go to our class. I'm Rakan Kumar Boshak, assistant teacher from the Harbeck Government Primary School. Do you know where is my school? Do you know this? Where is my school? Where is my school? To find ourselves, to find a place, we want to do something, want to tell something, to find a place. Is not it? Yes. To find a place, we want to give some direction, and also to ask something. So today's our class is where's the library? So when we go to an unknown place to find something, we want to ask someone, or we want a map. By this map, you can find some place, or ask something. Who is a non-person, he can give you some direction. He can give you some direction to go to the place. Yes. Here I open a page at page 42. Here is a map of a place. Open your page at 42, just like this. Can you see this? It's a map. To find some place, you can help. You can find some help. You can want some help of a map. And look at that. Here are some places. There are some places: a bank, a hospital, a college, a library, a supermarket, a post office. Here is a park, a bus stop. Is not it? And here are some flats. Here, three pair of people. Just a minute. Here, three pair of people to find a place and to ask something and give some direction. At page 43, you can find something. Here, Dev and Salman. Dev and Salman, they are person. Salman is the unknown person of this place. And Dev is known person of this place. Salman is a known person of this place. So Salman want to ask a place, and how he asked. So our first target is you to ask for a place. What sentence you can use? What sentences? What sentence you can use for ask for a place? What sentence and how you ask? How you ask for this place? And another question you do after ask a place, ask for a place. They can answer, and it is the give direction. The direction. Give direction for a place. That is, direction means how do you go to this go to the place. How you go to the place. Just a minute. How you go to the place. Okay, Adam? How you go to the place. Yes, it's a direction. Give a direction. So for the first pair, Dev and Salman. And Salman first say, what did he say? He first say, excuse me. It's a sentence for unknown person. If you don't know any name of a person, you can say excuse me. So karo monolog আকর্ষণ করার জন্য you can say excuse me. Yes, for excuse me. Is there a library nearby? Is there a library nearby? This is the ask for a place. This is ask for a place for a sentence. What Salman asked. Salman asked to why? Who? For who? For whom? Yes. Dev. And Dev can answer, yes. Yes. The library is on College Road. Is on College Road, next to the college. Here first they says about the library. Where is the library? He first say where is the library. He says about that, and now he gives some direction. How he give? First he say go straight. Go straight. Go straight. That is go straight. Yes. After that, and then turn left. Then turn left. First he say go straight. Yes, he said go straight, and then say turn left. Turn left. Here Dev says to Salman, go straight. Then turn left. From where? It's the name of a road. On College Road. On College Road. The library will be there. The library will be on your left. On your left. So he says after that, thanks a lot. So ask for a place. This is the ask for a place. The ask for a place for the answer. What the sentence you will be used. After that, when you give some direction, you say go straight. That means go straight. Turn left on College Road. The library will be on your left, and on your left the library will be there. First say go straight, then turn on College Road. The library will be on your left. This is the direction. This is the direction of direction. So give direction for this. So this is the pair of dialogue for Dev and Salman. After that, there are another person, Korean Ratul. Korean Ratul. What are they say? So thank you. Okay, I'm Ravish. Again I say, Kori is a unknown person. Kori is a unknown person of this place and Ratul is a known person. And Kori says to Ratul that, excuse me, first he say, excuse me, you will be, excuse me. This is a sentence, this is the words, there are some words you can use for call a unknown person, for call a unknown. When you go to the road, you don't know a person, but when you call this person, excuse me. So this is the words. Says to Atul that, Kori, could you please tell me how to, this is another, could you please tell me, how to get to the supermarket? This is another type of sentence, that you can use. Another type of sentence. First you say, is there a library nearby? And then another type of sentence. Could you please tell me how to get to the supermarket? There, Kori want to go to supermarket, this place. And what's the direction? First he say, turn right. Here, turn right on College Road. Turn right on College Road. Turn right on College Road. Then turn left on Park Street. Turn left on Park Street. The supermarket is on the corner. You can say turn right, then turn left on Park Street. The supermarket is on the corner. The supermarket is on the corner. This is the direction. Give some direction of a place. That you can go. Go to a place. How is the direction? How you go to the place? How you go to the supermarket? This is the direction for a person. The person can easily go to the place. Yes. After that, say thanks. Or thank you. In past dialogue, thanks a lot. Here, thank you. And another you can say thanks a lot. Yes. So this is another. I can explain another dialogue for Lenin and Laila and Tarim. Tarim is a unknown person. For this, Laila is a known person and Tarim is unknown person. He can use his excuse me. Do you know how to get to the hospital? Do you know? How to get to the hospital. This is the type of sentence that you can ask. This is the type of sentence you can ask someone for a place. Ask someone for a type of sentence. Our book used here three type of sentence that you can use to ask some a place. আমি একটু বাংলায় বলছি তোমাদের জন্য যে আমাদের বইয়ে তিন ধরনের সেন্টেন্স ইউজ করা হয়েছে কোন জায়গার সম্বন্ধে জিজ্ঞাসা করার জন্য, কোন জায়গার অবস্থান জিজ্ঞাসা করার জন্য তিন ধরনের সেন্টেন্স ইউজ করা হয়েছে। তুমি এর মধ্যে যে কোনো একটাকে ইউজ করতে পারো। yes, you can use one of the sentence. And here how to give direction, our book says how to give direction in three type of dialogue you can use how. In this sentence, this is the persons Laila and Tamim want to go to hospital. On what did Laila give? How did Laila give direction? How Laila give direction? So Laila says to Tamim, Laila, what is? It is near. It's very near. Laila says to Tamim that it's very near. It's very near. It's only 5 minutes walk. It's only 5 minutes walk from here. First, he said, যেটা খুবই কাছে তার জন্য কি বললো? It's very near. আমার কাছাকাছি বলা হচ্ছে it's very near. Only 5 minutes walk from here. You can মানে 5 মিনিটে হেঁটে যেতে পারছো, 5 মিনিটে হেঁটে যেতে পারো। তার জন্য কি বলো? Only 5 minutes walk from here. It's only 5 minutes walk from here. And so after that he say, continue on this street. Here he say, continue on this street. Continue on this street. Continue. Yes. Continue on this street. Continue on this street towards road 14. Road 14. That means তাকে বলছে যে এই রাস্তা ধরে সোজা চলে যাও রোড 14 পর্যন্ত। রোড 14 পর্যন্ত যাওয়ার জন্য towards road 14। আমাকে এই রাস্তা ধরে সোজা, এটা স্ট্রিট বলা হচ্ছে। This is the street and these are the road. This is the street and these are the road and these are the street. উত্তর দক্ষিণের লম্বা যে রাস্তাগুলো সেগুলো বলা হচ্ছে street. So these are street, big road, these are street, and down road, these are road. Continue this street towards road 14. Road 14 পর্যন্ত যাও। The hospital is on the corner there. The hospital is on the corner there. After that he says thanks. After that you can say thanks because you are satisfied with the direction. You are satisfied. When you are satisfied with the direction, you can say thanks. So here Salman says, Tanim says thanks. Tanim says here thanks. After that, so here some work for you. Can I say, are you understand those activities and how? Ask for a place. What sentence you can use? What sentence you can use for ask a place? And how you give some direction? How you give some direction? You to find out something. To find out a college. To find out a college. This person there. To find out college. How they give some direction. আবার বাংলায় বলছি তোমাদের জন্য। আমার মনে হয় যে এখানে আমরা যা দেখতে পেয়েছি তা কি রকম, তিন ধরনের বাক্য তৈরি করা আছে, যে বাক্যগুলো ব্যবহার করে কোনো প্লেস সম্বন্ধে আমরা কি বাক্য ব্যবহার করব সেটা পেয়েছি, এবং কোন জায়গায় যাওয়ার জন্য কি ধরনের রাস্তা দেখায় দিব, কিভাবে ডিরেকশন, দিস ইজ দ্য ডিরেকশন, তার জন্য কি বলতে হবে আমরা সেটা ব্যবহার করতে পেরেছি, তাই না? সো থ্যাংক ইউ ফর দিস, and I am giving you some homework. Yes, I am giving you some homework. Read the text correctly. Read the text correctly. It is your homework. This is your homework. Homework for you. First, read the text. This is the homework for you. Read the text correctly, and after that, do the number D. Ask for and give directions. Give direction to the following places. For the place, the school. Here are some school. For you ask, আমি বাংলায় বলছি তোমাদের জন্য, যে এবার আমরা কি কাজ করব, নতুন করে তৈরি করব। এখানে প্লেস দেওয়া আছে স্কুল বা কলেজ, এর জন্য তুমি কি প্রশ্ন করবে এবং ডিরেকশনটা কি হবে, তোমার যে কোনো প্লেস থেকে তুমি দাও। দা স্কুল, the post office, the post office, the bank, the bus stop, this is our 4 place. আবার বলছি, তোমরা এর আগে তিনটা প্লেস সম্বন্ধে ডায়লগ ছিল, ওই মডেলগুলো ব্যবহার করে 4টা প্লেসের ডায়লগ তৈরি করবে, যেটা খাতায় করে রাখবে এবং স্কুল খুললে তোমার টিচারকে দেখাবে। সো থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ ফর জয়েন মাই ক্লাস। সবসময় তোমরা ঘরে বসে শিখির সঙ্গে থাকো, তোমার জন্য ক্লাস যতদিন স্কুল বন্ধ থাকবে আমরা ক্লাস আশা করি চালু রাখবো। ভালো থাকবে, সুস্থ থাকবে, নিজে সুস্থ হও, দেশকে সুস্থ করো। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি, থ্যাংক ইউ, জয়েন মাই ক্লাস।